Today we're going to demonstrate the scan skip feature in the all new President Randy 2 FCC. This is President's newest release, I should say. This is an AM FM full featured CB radio walkie-talkie, quite the piece of gear. I'll leave a link down below in the description box to the review on this particular device. Please don't forget to smash the thumbs up button. If you have not subscribed to this channel yet, please consider doing so. All right, let's jump into it. This radio will allow us to scan all 40 channels. I have this in the automatic squelch mode to make it kind of easier for me. I hit the scan button, and as you can see, it will start scanning through the 40 channels. Now, say we come across a channel that we're getting a bunch of traffic on. Let's say like channel 19, for instance, okay? You want to scan through some of your favorite channels, but you just got too much noise coming from 19. Maybe you've got some road crew guys on 19 or any other given channel, which is what happened to me here. And that's actually what really got me interested in this particular feature on this walkie-talkie. So we're on channel 19. We want to get rid of this. We don't want this in the rotation or our scanning rotation. So what we do is we go down here to the menu button. So we're going to long press the menu button. When we long press it, it goes into our menu. It says scan skip. We'll short press it because it says off, so we're going to short press it. We're going to toggle that. When you see the on or off flashing, we're in the toggle mode here. And it doesn't matter which way you go. Either way, you can just turn it on. Okay, so we want to confirm that by long pressing menu again. Now we see on the display it says 19SK. Okay, so now that is out of the rotation for scanning. And let's say we've got some people being unruly down on channel, I don't know, let's pick a channel, 9. Okay, we want to lock this out of the rotation, or maybe we're getting some birdies or some noise from some atmospheric conditions or whatever. So we're on channel 9. We're going to long press the menu button. It goes into scan skip. We're going to momentarily press it to toggle our on off. We're going to go to on and then confirm by a long press. Now, when we scan, it will bypass channel 19. And it will bypass channel 9. You can load up as many skipped channels as you would like. You can skip as many as you'd like. I've done 38. You can actually do all 40, but then it won't scan, right? But I've done as high as 38 because then it just toggles between 2 channels. Okay, let's say you do not want to skip those channels anymore, all right? So here's how you take it out. You go to the channel that said SK. We're going to long press the menu button. We're going to short press it. We're going to toggle that to off and then confirm that with another long press. All right, we've taken that out of the scan, or we've put it back into the scan rotation, I should say. Okay, we're going to bring channel 9 back. So we're going to long press the menu button. The menu says scan skip, short press again to off. We're going to confirm that by a long press hold. And now we have full scanning of all 40 channels. This is a great feature, very, very handy. I honestly didn't think I was going to enjoy this feature, but we had some situations here where I was monitoring and we had people being foul on one channel, and I had some truck drivers on another one. I just didn't want to hear this stuff, and so I can take those out. And what a cool feature. Very, very neat. You can blank out as many channels as you like and then put it back pretty easily. Let's say you put in, say, maybe 10 or 15 channels, and you don't want to sit here and toggle through this because you've taken out so many channels, but you don't want to go through all that. All right, so let's just do this. We'll go back into our menu. We'll long press. We'll toggle down to reset all. What we're looking at here is reset. So we're going to toggle the on off again, and that is flashing all. And now it says reset skip, and we've just done that by hitting the up down button. So we don't want to reset all of our other settings, okay? So we just want to take all the skipped ones out. So we're going to do that. We're going to confirm it, and then we're going to long press. And now we've taken out all the scan skipped channels. Very, very super easy. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Please don't forget to leave a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe. We've got more videos on this coming. Thanks for watching.